use the following information to answer the following questions. We have two questions here, and you can solve these questions using this data. The controller of Durham Skates is reviewing the production cost report. He is reviewing the production report for July. An analysis of direct material during investigating the direct material costs reflects unfavorable flexible budget variance of $25. Unfavorable flexible budget variance means that the actual amount paid for material is much greater than the budgeted amount. Let's review the equation of the price variance. The price variance is equal to actual quantity multiplied by actual price, then subtract from it actual quantity multiplied by budgeted price. He is now telling us that there is an unfavorable flexible budget variance of $25. So the result here is 25. The plant manager believes this is excellent performance on flexible budget for 5,000 units. He is now telling us that the actual quantity is 5,000. So we can write here that the actual quantity is 5,000 multiplied by actual price, which is still ungiven, minus actual quantity of 5,000 multiplied by budgeted price is equal to $25. However, production supervisor is not pleased with the result. He is not okay with this result. He doesn't agree that the result is $25 unfavorable price variance because he claims he sees that he have saved $1,200 in material cost on actual production of 4,900 units. He is now telling us that the actual quantity is not 5,000 units. The actual quantity is 4,900. So I'll repeat the equation below using 4,900 units. As the supervisor claims that the actual units is 4,900. The blue color below refers to the point of view of the supervisor, of the production supervisor. The standard material cost is $12 per unit. Standard material means the budgeted price. Standard material cost means that the budgeted price of $12. Actual material used for the month amounted to $60,025. Actual amount, actual material. So you can remove this and write $60,025 as like that. 60,025 minus 4,900 multiplied by $12 is equal to the variance. We can now calculate the variance. 4,900 multiplied by 12 is equal to 58,800. This will be 58,800. Subtract it from $60,025 minus 58,800 is equal to 1,225. 1,225 is a positive sign, which means that the actual price paid is much greater than the budgeted one. So you have paid more than that you budgeted for. You paid more. So this variance is unfavorable variance, is not good variance. Now we can answer one of the questions above, that if direct material variance investigated is investigated further, which means that we look in depth in the material variance, direct material variance. It will reflect the price variance of, the price variance will be 1,225 unfavorable price variance. So the answer is C. But we didn't solve the question 1, which is much easier. He's asking for actual cost per unit. Actual average cost per unit or actual cost per unit, we can calculate it from here. Actual price can be calculated easily by dividing 60,025 by 4,900 units. 60,025 divided by 4,900. So the actual price per unit is 12.25, which is answer A.